Hey y'all, my name is Lauren and I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys an honest and unbiased review on the Valitic nail glue and strengthener. So this stuff has seriously changed my nail game. I'm not really one to have my nails done that often just because it's unrealistic for me to go to the salon all the time, and when I paint my nails they just chip off so fast. And so I love feeling put together. I love having my nails done. And so my solution I was hoping was to get like a pair or like a set of plastic nails on Amazon, and then I ordered this nail glue. And you guys, this stuff is like concrete, but it's also a strengthener for your nails. So my nails have been on for 11 days now. And when I found that when I get acrylics, a lot of times like my hair will get in between my nail and my acrylic, and it just gets stuck whenever I'm showering or whenever I am doing my hair. And that has yet to happen. It's been a week and a half. We're going on 2 weeks. And these nails haven't even started to come up yet. They're like acrylics on my nails, but better. Because this glue has just seriously kept them on so well. I haven't had to re-glue any of them. And it's really easy to use too. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to nails, and I've got them to last 11 days. It just has a really nice little like wand, I guess you could say, or brush, and you just brush it on the nail. And you guys, this stuff is for real. So if you're looking to, optimize your budget and still look put together, have your nails done, then this glue is for you. I'm serious. It's amazing.